Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing immediate friction. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb and close unrelated tabs. Then set one clear goal for this class. What question will you answer, or what outcome will you produce? Once done, organize your materials so reaching for a pen or slide is effortless. Make sure chargers and notes are ready. This first step reduces startup decisions and primes attention. By doing this now, you convert vague intentions into a small, actionable routine that triggers focus. During class, switch to a steady focus cadence. Work in 25-30-minute stretches and take 5-7-minute micro breaks when needed. You should engage actively. Write one question every 10 minutes and summarize aloud in short phrases. This solidifies comprehension and keeps you present. Make sure to limit multitasking by keeping only one app or window for class materials. Once you adopt these habits, attention becomes habitual rather than forced. If you feel your mind drifting, immediately answer a pending question you wrote down. Finish each class by writing a 2-minute summary and one concrete follow-up action. This closes the loop and reinforces memory. If you find yourself repeatedly distracted, identify the trigger: hunger, notifications, environment. Remove it and reset with 1 minute of focused breathing before rejoining. Make sure to review anything you missed within 24 hours and schedule a short recap of 10 to 15 minutes. When things go wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Change one variable and retry. Small adjustments compound into reliable attention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.